Hi, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and nandito tayo ulit ngayon sa Trevi Subdivision sa Marikina City to show you this tropical 4-bedroom house and lot with a lot area of 150 square meters, a floor area of 198 square meters. Based on looking the exterior part of the house, makikita natin meron siyang color palette na brown, gray, white. So very earthy colors talaga yung mga ginamit dito for this house, and it's a very relaxing house. Wag na natin patagalin pa, let's go inside to see what the interior looks like. Let's go. So here we have, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong dalawang garage gate. So meron tayong isa doon sa left part and meron tayong isa dito kung saan tayo dumaan. Meron din tayong pedestrian gate. So kaya dalawa yung gate nila is because kasya dito tatlong kotse. Dalawa dito kung saan tayo dumaan and another one here on the far end. So kung marami kayong kotse and alam naman natin na bihira makahanap ng mga bahay na meron 3 or more parking spaces. So this is nice. This is a nice house to look at if you have lots of cars. So meron din tayong of course setback sa mga gilid. So meron tayong 2-meter setback sa gilid, which is a very standard dahil sa building code. And meron din tayong mga polycarbonate ceilings para hindi mabasa yung kotse nyo. Pero aside from that, meron din tayong mapapansin dito na wall, which is an accent wall made out of gray bricks para mag-complement sa color palette ng bahay natin. So right behind me, we have our solid main door. It's made of wood, and of course, papasok tayo to see what the house looks like, obviously. So, ang una nating makikita upon entering the house is our living space. On my right, we have lots of sliding doors para meron tayong natural light or air circulation para sa ating ground floor. And we have our lighting fixture over here, and we have recessed or drop ceiling with pin lights all over the corners. And then we have accent wall dito na wooden design din to separate the living space from the dining area and the kitchen. Okay, so let's move on. Ito yung ating dining area, and this table is not actually included in the sale, but if you really want it, we can negotiate it with the seller. To give you a perspective, the optimal capacity of this dining area is around 6 to 8 people, obviously depending on the table. What's also nice about this is that marami din tayong sliding doors para pag kumakain kayo or nag-chill lang kayo dito sa area na to, maraming ilaw na pumapasok. So you really don't need to open your lights para magkaroon ng ilaw sa area or dito sa ground floor. And then here, moving on, we also have your bar counter. So this is made out of granite, and it's a very high bar counter. Parang halos katangkad ko na. So pwede kayong mag-serve ng drinks dito. So pwede kayong maglagay ng food dito pagkaluto nyo dito sa ating L-shaped kitchen. So made out of granite din yung ating counter spaces. Pagkaluto nyo, pwede nyo lagay dito, and then yung mga family members kukuha ng food from here. Or kung may mga guests kayo, kukuha ng drinks dyan. And we also have this backsplash with geometric shapes to complement the color of the kitchen. So it's a very relaxing kitchen, a lot of spaces. You can maneuver whatever you want to do here. So pwede kayong magluto, pwede kayong maglagay ng food. And of course, we have lots of cupboards. So marami tayong drawers and cabinets to put your kitchen needs, and meron din tayo sa baba. And of course, we have your dual sink here with aluminum faucet and lots of sockets para sa ating mga appliances. We also have your dedicated space for your refrigerator. Actually, pwede nyo ilagay dito or doon, whichever, kasi pwede naman pareho. You can also put your range hood or cooktop here. And meron din pala tayong ditong pull out for utensils or your mga plates. So ang maganda naman doon is that hindi masyadong mukhang cluttered yung ating kitchen kasi nakatago yung mga utensils natin and mga plates. Okay, so before we go upstairs, tingnan na natin, meron tayong service area dito, which is the intended functionality of the store. So kapag lumabas ka dito, andito yung ating service area. So we have your dirty kitchen here, and ang maganda naman is polycarbonate na nga siya. So, polycarbonated na yung ceiling. So, kapag magluluto kayo dito, hindi kayo maunanan. And we also have a dedicated space here for your laundry area. And then, makikita naman natin yung setback na binabanggit ko before. So, may pocket garden ka dito. Pwede kayong magtanim. And kung mahilig kayo sa mga garden para sa mga plantita natin dyan na nanonood, marami kayong pwedeng gawin dito with this space kasi marami kang landscape areas or pocket gardens nga for this house. Okay, so we're actually done. Before we go to the second floor, meron pa pala tayong bathroom na hindi napakita, which is just beside our main door and also beside our staircase. So here is a bathroom that you can use, especially for our guests. Close lang natin to. And so this is our bathroom. So if may mga guests kayo, pwede niya lang gamitin to. And what I really like about this is yung mga tiles niya sa wall is with geometric shapes, and there's a specific texture na very relaxing siya. And then we have our aluminum rainfall shower just directly above your head. So kung maliligo kayo, hindi niyo na kailangan ayusin ng ganyan. So diretso na kagad sa ulo niyo, which is nice. Pero just a tip, kung maliligo kayo, huwag niyo unahin yung ulo niyo kasi masama yun. So pwede niyo gawin maligo muna kayo ng paa, ganyan. And then of course, we have your water fixtures, we have your complete bidet, toilet racket, water closet, your toilet, and your sink. And of course, meron din tayong makikitang mirror here. Okay, so moving on, tapos na tayo dito sa ating ground floor, we have to go to the second floor to see our bedrooms. But of course, I think nakikita nyo naman, meron tayong parang railings out of glass, which is a very modern or contemporary way to do your railings. And it's very nice din, lalo na yung mga ating mga stair steps. If you can see the details on the stair steps, they're made of parang combination of cement and tiles na very rustic yung looking, parang faded wooden design siya, which is very nice to look at. Okay, so akit na tayo dito sa ating second floor. Pero before we actually arrive at the receiving area of the second floor, meron ka pang space dito. So you can actually put here plants para mas welcoming yung ambience niya. And we can also notice there's a lot of fixed windows para may pumasok na natural light, and yung very, very high ceiling to give you an illusion na sobrang spacious ng area, which really gives justice to the house. This is the hallway of the second floor, kung saan nandito yung lahat ng bedrooms. Here on my right actually is the master bedroom, which is located at the facade of the property. So it's a decent space. It's actually a very spacious bedroom, master bedroom. So we can put here, to give you a perspective, a master bed or a king size bed or a queen size bed, to give you a perspective. And meron din tayong mga drop ceiling, and then of course pin lights all over the drop ceiling. And we have lots of sockets if you really need lots of sockets para mag-charge and whatever. And we also have a built-in cabinet dito na merong sliding door with mirror. Yan, para hindi na kayo mahirapan pumili ng yung mga damit. So, to give you an idea on kung ano itsura ng loob ng cabinet, ito yung itsura niya. Yan. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng hanger dyan. And then, here, more spaces for your clothes. So, of course, yung ating door dito is the master bathroom. Again, we have your overhead or rainfall shower, and then we have your complete fixtures of water closet, toilet, bidet, toilet rack, and your sink. And then yung tiles natin, I think it's around 1.75 meters high. Yan. So, tingnan natin yung ibang bedrooms. So far, how are you liking this video? You can comment down what do you think of this house. Ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo, ano yung mga hindi nyo nagustuhan. And for other details not discussed in this video, ilalagay namin sa description, as well as the price, the payment terms, and kung sino yung dapat nyo kontakin to schedule for a viewing or a tripping. Okay? So this here on my left is another bedroom. Lahat ng bedrooms dito mataas yung ceiling. It's above the norm or the standard height. So we also have here your provision for your window type aircon. Again, we have a built-in cabinet here, and we also have a built-in table if you want to work here with your laptop or whatever, since work from home naman tayo. And again, to give you an idea kung ano itsura niya, actually it's just the same with the previous built-in cabinet. So pwede ka maglagay dito or maghang ng clothes and other things dun sa taas. Although, yun nga, matangkad ako, hindi ko abot yun. So here, moving on again. So this one, itong door na medyo light brown, this is not a bedroom. This is actually a bathroom, which is communal for the other bedrooms here. So again, for the bathroom here, we have your rainfall shower directly above your head para hindi na kayo mahirapan. And we have your complete water fixtures of toilet or water closet, sink, and your mirror, and bidet and toilet racket. And of course, meron tayong window dito, awning window to push. Kung gusto nyo or lumabas yung amoy, or kung gusto nyo lang ng hangin, pwede nyo gamitin yan. So we have here the last 2 bedrooms of the house. Actually, they're just basically the same. So again, very high ceiling, lots of white paint. It's very simple pero very effective pa rin. And then we have your built-in cabinets and built-in table. And again, we have our parang solid wooden planks for our floorings. Again, the itsura nitong ating built-in cabinet is basically the same with the other built-in cabinets here. So moving on to our last bedroom of the house, which is just adjacent to that bedroom. And also basically just the same design with the previous bedrooms. So high ceiling, white walls, we have your built-in cabinet, built-in table, lots of sockets, awning windows. We also have a sliding window aside from the awning window, and we also have a provision for your window type aircon there. Yeah, so that's actually it for this video. If you want to know more about the property, you can contact the contact number in the description just below the video, and you can also schedule for a viewing or for a tripping, and other details not discussed in the video ilalagay din namin sa description box din. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a nice day. And again, comment below what you think of this house. And I'll see you in my next video. Keep safe.